This is a tough one. It's called Ploughing the Furrow of What Came to Me. Um, I had a very minor stroke 10 years or more ago, and nothing since, thank heaven. But it really hits you, I tell you. It really does. And nothing prepares you for it. You don't know how to react or quite what to do. So you just have to bludgeon on. What did Churchill say? Keep buggering on. You just have to keep going forward. And that's a bit how I felt. So this is actually called Ploughing the Furrow of What Came to Me. And this is how it felt. Not been easy this last 12 months. Enough pressure points to needle an acupuncturist, or to drive a dart through rough rhino hide. I thought I was thicker skinned, wrought of some sterner northern stock stuff that I would shrug it all off. But how could I have known? How can anyone really know? How can anyone know until events and circumstances confront, contend and conspire, load up their crossbow, take aim at you and fire? Took the slugs, felt them slice through skin to soul, then bed their barbs down deep and let the curare seep. Wheeled around, dazed, as a punch-drunk pugilist stumbling blindly towards ropes that experience tells him are there, but finding them far too far out of reach for sanctuary or salvation, lost the other side of the unconsciousness horizon. Beat the count, must beat the count, must beat the count, must beat the count. Shock got me up, got me going again. Now swinging with my right, flailing wildly, uncontrollably, yet assured, more measured, my left. One iron fist yin, one velvet glove yang, meting out a syncopated beating that I didn't know I had in me. Ploughed on. Gone the game plan, the sharp moves, the 1-2s, attack the only defence, onward the only way back. Ploughed on. Ploughed the furrow of what came to me, not knowing whence it had come, but trusting to it as to the last lifebelt, or to the holiness of the vow that defines you and holds you to yourself. Ploughed on, found strange pleasure in the plough, pleasure in ploughing for ploughing's sake, pleasure in the compelling beauty of the act itself, turning over rich slabs of possibility and opportunity, feeling the potential alive under my soles, between my toes, this dark earth of me. My opponent, disconcerted, wrong-footed, backed off. I wasn't what I was supposed to be. I was become the unexpected, the unpredicted, the unpredictable. Tables turned, life was now having all on handling me. That's my furrow, mine, me. The way it should be, the way it must be, the way it's going to be.